Hey, what's up? This is Aaron, and I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to wrap curvy surfaces. But this is a two-man job, so I'm gonna need help from my boy Kenny right here.
There's a couple measures you have to take before you go ahead and wrap the piece. One of the first things you want to do is grab a measuring tape, measure it out, pull it a little bit, man, so you can pre-cut the piece. For the sake of the video, we went ahead and already cut out this white vinyl. Something else you have to remember is always stay protected. Whether it's the vinyl or your hands, you gotta have high quality gloves.
Then you have to take off the vinyl from the backing paper. Most of the times we need help from another person.
Hold on, Aaron. First, you have to make sure the surface is clean.
Make sure you grab a clean towel. Start wiping. Make sure there's no grease or dirt left behind. Once the surface is clean, you grab the vinyl, and you start from the edge, and you start curving it around. Might get a few wrinkles, but it's fine. A little bit of heat will help.
Sometimes you'll get these uneven seams, but don't worry, there's always a plan B. What you can do, you can grab another piece of vinyl and go ahead and lay it over. Just try to hide the line as good as possible.
Sometimes you might have bubbles right here, but then you just slap them away. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to come back and check out the AssThetics.
Cool.